Hey, it's Melissa with Savvy Media Group. Did you miss out on this workshop? Leveraging your media presence is crucial to your business, to your career. If you are in real estate, a car salesman, in sales, small business owner, you have to leverage your media presence in any of these industries, making sure that your media kit, your portfolios, all these different things are easily accessible and not an email where there's a boatload of attachments or they have to keep coming back asking you different things because it wasn't sent over to them. Creating a digital media kit with all of your information and making sure that it's laid out in a way to where it's easily scrollable. They can go through it. They have options to look at different things, download different things, watch videos. How are you doing your portfolio? What are you laying out? How are you laying it out? Um, a lot of times, you may have speaker sheets that you're using. And with these speaker sheets, you're limited to your information. You don't want to continuously be limited to your information because you could miss out on opportunities. And I'm not saying, you should do away with a speaker sheet. A lot of times, when you are asked to send over a speaker sheet, they want to highlight those things that, is important for them to share with the audience that you will be a guest at this particular event. But the option of having additional information is missed opportunities. And I know that for a fact because even though that I do have a printable bio, a printable speaker sheet, I still have a digital media kit. And even though I'm asked to send over that information, I always send the digital media kit. Yes, it's a lot of information, but guess what happened? Because they wanted that one piece of information, but I sent the digital media kit, they were able to see all the different things where I volunteered, the presentations that I was a part of, some of the topics, some videos, and some other things that I have in there. My awards, accolades, all of those things. And as they were scrolling, they saw something. It was like, oh, okay, I didn't know that were able to do this. Well, I have a question. How can we get this done by, XYZ? And, not to go really into details or call out, that company's name, but though that could have been a missed opportunity for me because I sent that one sheeter or either 2 pages. Some of your speaker sheets are 2 pages. So if I would have just sent that minimal information, I wouldn't have had the opportunity for this additional opportunity. So in this digital media kit, we talk about some of them things, but if you want to get more specific, that's where you and I will have that conversation and dig deep into some of those details. So don't miss out on our next Leverage Your Media Presence. If you have not, you could go to my profile and you will see the link, and we'll have it here in this description as well, to where you can sign up for the free masterclass to start with those tools to start leveraging your media presence and start building your portfolio because you do not want to continue to miss out on opportunities.